Fluid balance is very much important for the patient who is admitted in your hospital. So you must maintain the chart for fluid intake and output. In a hospital, one chart is available that has to be recorded in a proper way, and within 24 hours you must know how much the fluid is taken inside and how much the fluid is taken out, put it outside. So that has to be maintained. So this is the intake output chart, or we can say fluid balance chart. So how we maintain this? See, we have the two part of this. One is the intake and one is the output. So intake. So what are the ways of taking the fluid? We have the way of IV, we have the orally, and we have the NG feeding. So say, see, like at 6 a.m. At 6 a.m. you have started one IV, and or you were left with the IV which was running from night. So you must say, for example, 150 ml IV you started to the patient, or you say at 9 a.m. the patient has taken a 1 glass of water. 1 glass of water means 250 ml fluid the patient has taken. Or if the patient is on the NG feeding, you have given the NG feeding to the child, to the patient. So say, for example, at 10 a.m. you had given the breakfast. At that time you had given 250 ml NG feeding to the patient. So like this for the whole day, how much the IV you had given to the patient, how much the orally fluid you had given, and what time you had given to the patient, or how much the feeding you had given through the NG. Like this you will record it, and you will put it the total here. Same like the fluid output. How the fluid will output? Through the urine, through the stool, through the RT aspiration, or through the drain if the patient is having. So say, for example, at 5:30 a.m. patient has voided 350 ml urine, or say example, at the 5:30 a.m. patient gone for the stool. At that time patient had voided 150 ml fluid, or you have done the RT aspiration. Through the RT aspiration, 15 ml at 9 a.m. before giving the breakfast, you have just aspirated the RT and you have aspirated the fluid. Or the patient having the drain, like patient having the chest drain or any drain that hold within 24 hours, how much the volume is drained, that also can be calculated and write it over here. So here you can put the total amount of output fluid, and here you can write the total intake of fluid. So within 24 hours, like here you have started the 6 a.m. so but urine output you have started counting at 5:30. So from 5:30 a.m. to next day 5:30 a.m. till 5:30 a.m. you will count the intake and output. So after this you will calculate it, and you will have the how much intake in ml and how much output in a ml. So by this you will find, you will come to know